Hi, my name is Yang Junxi, 21 years old, and I'm studying in mass communication. My birthday is 20 April and born in Johor. Actually, my name is hard to pronounce, so I have a nickname, Sakuya. This nickname originated when I was in secondary school. This nickname is actually my username of one of the games, but my friends just started to call this name. I don't know why. Even don't know why.